Hey, 8th graders, I'm out in my garage and I'll tell you why in just a second. But for now, let's read the last segment together under free enterprise. The capitalist economic system of the United States helps spur industrial growth. In capitalism, individuals and businesses own property and they decide how to use it. The people, not the government, control the capital, or they control the buildings, the land, the machines, the money, and other items used to create wealth. We also use the term free enterprise to describe the American economic system. People are free to work wherever they wish and to buy, sell, and produce whatever they want. The major elements of free enterprise are economic freedom, profit, private property, and competition. Business owners produce products that they think will sell the best and make the most profit. Businesses compete for customers with low prices and high quality, and this competition helps businesses to improve. And that is why I'm in the garage. I am out here by my husband's work pickup. My husband is in a business called P&K Pest Control. So if you ever have mice or spiders or ants, he can come and take care of that. But he owns his work vehicle. He also owns all of the equipment in the back, okay? The bait boxes, the chemicals, all the things that he needs for his business. And then he is free to make decisions on that. He needs to set prices that are fair because he needs to compete with other pest control people in Sioux Falls. He needs to offer good customer service so people like him and appreciate him, so they'll call him again. But any money that he makes is his, and he can decide what to do with that money. Now, the government isn't totally hands-off. He had to pass government regulations in order to handle chemicals and, of course, pay taxes. But there is a lot of freedom for him to run his business in the way that he sees fit. Okay, so that is an example of free enterprise, a small business called P&K Pest Control. Now, if he would get sick of this business or want to do something else, he also has the freedom to quit and try something else. That's part of free enterprise. So let's go back to your assignment here and look at the questions that I would like you to answer here. All right. So question number 8, what example of free enterprise did I give? Oops. Okay, and go ahead and write that answer in number 8. All right, the last thing for today is I have an exciting announcement. I threw our names in the ring for a Google Meet with Mayor Paul Tenhaken, and he chose us. We have just been so lucky this year. I got a message from the mayor's office that he would love to come in on a Google Meet with us and answer any questions that you have. So we're going to run that just like we did with our Senator Thune. You can choose if you'd like to be in the live session or if you'd like to watch the recording. And this time, I'm just going to let you come with your questions. I'd like you to write them out first, but then I'll let you guys ask your questions. In his advertisement, he said, kids can ask me anything. It can be about Sioux Falls or about COVID-19, or it could be things about the Vikings draft picks or the Michael Jordan documentary that everybody's talking about, or ways kids can serve in the community. So any question that you might have for our mayor, that's what I want you to think about. So here's what I'd like you to do for question 9 and 10. Write down that we have a Google Meet with Mayor Paul at 10:30 on Wednesday. Okay, write that down for number 9. Then tell me if you want to be in the live session or if you want to be in the recorded session. Okay. I hope as many of you join the live session as possible. I think it's going to be great. So let me know if you'd like to be in the live session or recorded session on 10:30 on Wednesday. And then here, what question do you have? Something about Sioux Falls, something about COVID, something about Micah Jordan, the Vikings, whatever. What question would you like to ask our mayor? So put your question here. And that is all. I hope you guys have a great Monday. Tomorrow we will finish up the Industrial Revolution and have our Google Meet with Mayor Paul on Wednesday. All right? And that will be your only assignment on Wednesday is that Google Meet. All right? Let's do it, 8th graders. Have a great day.